Too much crazy smoke for me to be out running around right now with some fast RCs, but I'll tell you what, how about I invite you to my back patio instead? Come on, hang out. Welcome to my personal area. What's up, Pumpkin? Here's our orange mouser right here. Actually, he's more like a Garfield, doesn't catch any mice. I've been looking out for some new projects, and I have been enjoying YouTube Gold like crazy. Thank you guys to everybody supporting the show over the last summer. You know me, I'm always on the lookout for new projects. Plus, people have been asking, what's going to be your next project? And so, when I had an opportunity to pick up a few trucks from my buddy Greg, shout out to you, Greg, he said he was working on some custom trucks that weren't done, but he wanted to move on to a different product or project himself. I actually picked up these two here for about $1,000 US. They have some work to go into them, but I think they're going to make great mining trucks. Let's have a look. Both of these caught my eye as unfinished potential. And Greg Marsh is really known for his custom semi-truck work. You know, anything from wreckers, haulers, you name it, semi-truck world. He's got a name in it. Nice. Let's get you in here for a nice up-close look. I instantly fell in love with it when he showed it to me. I'm going to show you what's under that yellow tape in a moment. Nice burgundy chrome at the back. Aluminum tires, like aluminum rims, pardon me. Rubber tires. Plastic. Aluminum up front. Have a look at that beautiful brushed bumper. It took some of the tape off. If I take too much off though, you'll start to see some of the handcrafted pieces will start to back off, like this grill. Don't you just love the beautiful round corners? I just think those panels are amazing. Great job, Greg. Looking on the inside here, flip up. This is where the engine's gonna go. Put in a diesel, of course. All the way around. Air cleaner was just fit. So basically I'm going to take this from what we would call the junkyard and finish it off, but this is a cool project right away. It needs a transmission. I have one. Let me show you the real eye-catching piece though. It's right under here. Oh, C15. Beautiful. This is the engine that's going to get dropped under the front hood. Tons of horsepower, nearly 700 horse to this engine right here. So I'm thinking this will be a great Yukon truck. Like Tony would have a haul truck like this in Gold Rush. And I figured we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing. I don't think I'm going to make it an army type of truck though. I want to give it an old rusty kind of patina, kind of maybe stick with this color. I haven't decided yet, but I think for an old backroads truck, this could move conveyors and stuff pretty easy. So big thumbs up on this one, Greg. Good score for us here at the RC Spark Studio. Let's get into the tanker truck. Be careful with the blade, of course. I've suffered before from not being careful. Wow, I love the aluminum tops. This tanker is stunning. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. Extra pieces in here, I see them. Another custom job on the front cab, and it is everything I hoped for. Long, lean, and mean. Look at this. Wow. I got a build ahead of me, but this thing has an amazing start to it. Has Greg Marsh quality all over it. Wow. It's a closed hood, but the front bumper, holy smokes. Aluminum tires, or aluminum wheels again. Nice big fat wheels on the front. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So I'm going to have to drop a whole sound kit in this, the light kit, everything. Maybe I can make these into a rotating, one of these into a rotating fire cannon. Put a pump on the inside. Just stunning. Custom frame underneath. Into the 3-speed transmission. Fairly basic. I'm going to have to get a nice puller motor in there. Well, puller is what I would call a 55 turn or higher, brushed. Just so it has enough torque to get where it needs to go. We'll see. Maybe I'll actually gear it very low and put in a high-speed motor so we can get some wheel speed when we need it, because it will be in the mud from time to time. Just fantastic. Side by side. Look at that in their new home. So now you guys know what I'll be doing for projects in the upcoming episodes of RC Adventures. I won't be moving too fast on these, as they're ones, you know, geared more towards the fall. But it would be great to see these up and running, definitely for the new season of YouTube Gold. Regardless, I'd like to see this one up and running and this one up and running tomorrow if I could. But time, money, planning, strategy, it all comes into play here at the studio. Guys, thanks a lot. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have some fun with RC. You know, we always do. Bye-bye.